Right, Java variables, Madlibs. In this project, we'll use Java to write the Madlibs word game. Madlibs have short stories with blank spaces that a player can fill in. The result is usually funny or strange. Alright, so Madlibs task number one, let's create a comment that describes the program. Alright, so we're going to create a comment with this content in between. Okay, so number two, take a look at the variable named story. It is set equal to a string that will contain our story. All of these variables will need to be declared and initialized before the code will compile without errors. So this is the class, this is public state void main. The variable is string story. Alright, so the story that we have provided is going to need a product list. Create a string called name1 that stores the name of the main character. Okay, so you'll need to provide three adjectives. Adjective 1, adjective 2, and adjective 3, and store different adjectives in them. I'm gonna say, yeah, sick. Adjective 1, string adjective 2. It is going to be a lovely day. Then we're going to take string adjective 3. And see adjective 3, oh, it's here. So, which made all the very, let's just say annoyed. Very long. Okay, now that we've got that, you'll also need to provide one verb. There's verb 1 over there. We'll just say they began to run. Number 6, the story also needs 6 nouns. Create 6 strings, noun 1. So now on one, outside a bunch of people were protesting to keep people now on two. Were protesting, can't say peoples, say protesters. And then on two were protesting to keep in stores, to keep jobs in stores. On two, on three. In stores, they began to run to the rhythm of the